Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to claim Remitly in Gcash. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is open Remitly, and once you open Remitly you'll be seeing this Remitly interface. Right now on the bottom bar you'll be seeing send button. Simply tap on that and then select your profile, and once you have selected your profile, now all you gotta do is enter in your amount, and once you have entered in your amount, select the delivery speed, either it be express or economy, and then select the option continue, and once you have tapped on continue, here you'll be seeing your delivery method. Now select the option that says mobile money, and once you tap on mobile money, here you will be seeing these options, that is Gcash, Maya, Shopping, Pay, Coins, GrabPay. Right, simply select Gcash, and once you have selected the Gcash, here all you gotta do now is just enter in the details, that is your first name, your middle name, and your last name. Right, and once you have done with that, hit continue, and now all you gotta do is just simply confirm the transaction for the designated payment. And once you have done with that, that's basically how you can claim Remitly in Gcash. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.